Coronavirus. I've been tested positive for that coronavirus.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, I have.
What are you doing in here?
I have to report every day or I'll go to jail.
Oh, you're joking, aren't you?
No.
Hang on a minute.
Thank you.
Yeah, you shouldn't be coming in here.
Yeah, I know, but I asked the doctors and...
Why didn't you just bring up?
Is this a serious joke? Like, how long have you been here for?
Oh, because I told them I got the coronavirus.
That you're causing hysteria throughout a public place.
It was
Like,
just
what
a
a
bloody
ridiculous thing to do.
That's it.
You still think that it's funny, don't
It's
you?
been silly.
Well, do you know what? It's not silly.
Are you serious? Are you serious? Are you guys joking? Are you guys?
Hello, my name is Julie Snook and welcome to 9 News Watch. It's hard to believe we're seeing that type of behaviour in the midst of this global crisis. The 21-year-old claims that he had coronavirus forced the closure of the Coffs Harbour police station as officers investigated whether or not he did in fact have COVID-19. He is accused of entering the station yesterday and deliberately coughing on a female officer while a friend filmed the incident. Police have now charged the man with a number of offences. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. All right.